This is Matt with Hawley Inspections. We're going to talk about handrail safety for just a minute. So as you can see, we've got a couple new bolts here. This one's actually even broke off, not even in place. There's nothing up there. There's one bolt here, and you can see where this portion of the handrail doesn't even touch the sidewalk and porch and stuff. It just kind of swings out here freely. But best yet, if you come up here and somebody was to lean against this handrail, look how it just comes off the house and out and away. This handrail is just waiting for somebody to lean up against it and fall down onto the sidewalk and hurt themselves. This is just one of the many reasons you want to have an inspection done. So remember, if you're in the St. Louis or the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. And we wish everyone a safe and happy day. Thank you.